Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down product to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. All right, so today we're talking about the MassaMAX 4D full body massage chair, the white version with zero gravity, extendable footrest SL track, 15 modes, AI voice control, yoga stretch, foot rollers, waist and calves heating, and it even comes with a dust cover. And honestly, the first question everyone asks is a massage chair at this price point actually worth buying? Or is it just a fancy recliner with some vibration? Let me break this down for you with real numbers let's start with the tech that makes this thing special. This chair uses advanced 4D massage technology combined with soothing airbags, featuring 12 auto modes, 5 massage techniques, and 32 airbag points covering the entire body. Now, what does 4D actually mean in real-world use? It means the rollers don't just go up and down. They adjust in width, height, depth, and speed simultaneously. The 4D massage roller adapts to your needs with adjustable width, height, depth, and speed settings, so it feels less like a machine and more like actual human hands working on your back. That's a genuinely big deal. The SL track extends from a neck all the way to the thighs, increasing the massage area by 50% compared to a standard L track. And the track is 53.15 inches long, so it covers neck, shoulders, back, lumbar, all the way down to your mid-thighs in one continuous path. That's full body coverage, not just your upper back. Now, let's talk dimensions. In upright position, the chair measures 64.57 inches long by 29.92 inches wide by 47.24 inches tall. When fully reclined, it extends to 70.87 inches long. So you want to make sure you have a good 6 feet of space to work with. It supports a maximum load weight of 330 pounds and is recommended for users between 5 and 6.2 feet tall. So it's built for a wide range of body types, and the whole family can share it. Why is this such a popular choice? Because it brings together features that usually cost 2 or 3 times more. You get 3 adjustable zero-gravity positions, while lumbar and leg heating help relax muscles and improve circulation. Zero gravity isn't just a marketing buzzword. When your knees are raised higher than your chest, it reduces spinal compression, decreases heart pressure, and improves blood circulation. People with back pain absolutely love this feature. The AI voice control lets you operate the chair completely hands-free. Just tell it what you want, and it immediately starts the corresponding program. And yes, there's a TFT touchscreen too, so you have multiple ways to control it. Body scan technology tailors each massage to your unique body contours for an optimized and comfortable experience. It literally maps your body before it starts working on you. That's smart designed in stretch mode. The chair arches the body while the 4D massage manipulator continues to work, effectively relieving fatigue, joint pain, and restoring vitality. The yoga stretch function is one of the most talked about features, great for athletes, desk workers, or anyone who holds tension in their hips and spine, and real users are loving it. Families report using it multiple times a week, with programmed massage sessions lasting 20 minutes each, and many times it makes you fall asleep during the massage. That right there tells you everything. MassaMAX backs this chair with a 3-year protection plan, expert support, and 24/7 customer service. For a chair at this price point, that kind of warranty is seriously reassuring. And it ships fast. Customers have reported it arriving 3 days earlier than estimated, packaged very well with no damage. So, is it worth it? If you're spending money every week on massages or a chiropractor, this chair can pay for itself in months. You get 15 preset modes, 5 massage techniques, 32 airbags for D-rollers, zero gravity, heat therapy for your waist and calves, foot rollers, AI voice control, and a yoga stretch function, all in one sleek white design that actually looks great in a room. This is a spa experience at home, on your schedule, every single day. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.